Oh, this is Andy in Munich from Erfindergarden, and this is Mang in Berlin. We are makers and artists, and we wanted to validate the many designs, face shields designs that we found on the internet. Everybody's last weekend, I think, was making face shields. We didn't do masks because we thought this would be a very easy way to protect either somebody in a hospital, but also a shop worker or a dentist. This was kind of inspired from the blog post of Prusa Research that I did a couple of days ago.
So what we've been doing for the last 48 hours is going through all the different designs, or at least some of the many designs which are out there right now on the internet, and using our abilities as makers to try to produce some and see, can we take those designs and actually make them here in our maker spaces, and how many could we potentially make? So this design is from Prusa Research, and it has a 3D printed headband, a plastic shield, just a clear piece of plastic, and then just a bit of rubber band to hold it to your head. So then the idea with the face shield is that it's just a physical barrier between you and large particles. They're really designed as a splash guard. So small stuff, of course, is really just going to come around, but you can see that if there was some large droplets, it might help with that. Also, you can see that if I talk vigorously and I'm talking directly to you, it's a shield that's going to block what I have right here from going directly towards you, at least.
Already 150. So our goal is to just validate. So I did a laser cut design. It only takes 2 minutes. And what we plan in the future is, so next week, we already will mass produce one of these designs. I'm in contact with a hospital, or with some makers in Belgium that got asked by a hospital to make 1,500 of these, and I'm working together with them to validate another design of them and maybe combine it with my design, or my adaptation of this design I found online, and so they can do it there. And then when we have this design that's also validated by doctors, then we will or get together all the makers from Germany or everywhere else that asks if they can also make a design. And we also plan to do a very easy design, like you did, Mang, just with a Amazon box, or with a A4 shield of projector foil. So also somebody can help that doesn't have a laser cutter or a 3D printer. So I think it's fine. This was 3 minutes, and now I'm stopping the